and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Election Commission permits Manmohan Singh's public meeting in the state. PM to visit state on Wednesday. Congress claims to get special provisions for state under Article 371. Sushma Swaraj unhappy as not a single woman candidate is contesting election on BJP ticket. Sripad Naik says no ministry to Dinar Tharkar even if he gets elected. India against corruption blames family politics for downfall of democracy. Demands Yan Lokayukta from whichever party intends to form government. Srinivas Dempo eagerly awaits IMG Reliance's solution to I-League woes. All club owners will meet in the next 10 to 15 days, says Dempo Sports Club chairman. And Amol Satoshkar comes home with another podium finish from grueling desert storm. Over 3,000 kilometers, driving for 23 out of 24 hours, Amol passes endurance test. Now the news in detail. Finally, Election Commission permitted Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's public meeting in Sankili. Singh will visit the state on Wednesday to boost Congress's election campaign. Congress MP Shantaram Naik has charged that mining lobby from Karnataka is portraying BJP leader Sushma Swaraj as the next Prime Minister. He also informed that Congress is trying for special provisions for the state under Article 371 of the Indian Constitution.
Name of the venue, etc. I don't know. Some college ground. Whatever. No, permission has been given. That's all I know.
Congress has once again said that it was wrong on the part of police to enter the church premises in night at Veri. But Congress's chief spokesperson Shantaram Naik has lashed out at BJP's national leader Sushma Swaraj.
In Karnataka, there are some people who say that we have kept tons of money aside, reserve stock to make her Prime Minister. So totally, she is a protégé of mining lobby in Karnataka.
He also highlighted that Pranab Mukherjee has spoken on special category and not on Article 371 of Indian Constitution, which can guarantee special protection for Goa.
What is our demand is special provisions under Article 371 of the Constitution. Both are commonly called as special status. Some people call special category special status. Some people call 371 as special status. So this is a commonly used word for. That's why yesterday there was confusion only because of that.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Khanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaokar.
Opposition leader in Lok Sabha and one of the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Sushma Swaraj, is not happy as not a single woman is contesting on BJP ticket. On the other side, while replying to a question, BJP MP Sripad Naik said that Dinar Tharkar won't be given a cabinet berth even if he gets elected and the BJP-MGP alliance comes to power.
मैं इस नतीजे पर पहुंच गई हूं कि जब तक कानूनी बाध्यता नहीं होगी, जब तक स्टैट्यूटरी ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं होगी, तब तक कोई भी दल महिलाओं को उनका उचित प्रतिनिधित्व नहीं देगा। और गोवा के इस टिकट वितरण ने मेरी उस बात को और पुष्ट किया है कि कानूनी बाध्यता होनी ज़रूरी है। आरक्षण मिलेगा महिलाओं को तो उनको उनका रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिलेगा, ड्यू रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिलेगा। वी आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट दैट वी विल रिटेन आवर गवर्नमेंट्स इन उत्तराखंड एंड पंजाब. We will snatch Goa from Congress.
Senior BJP leader Sushma Swaraj accused Congress of imposing dynasty rule on Goa.
They are imposing dynastic rule on the people of Goa. 12 out of 40 seats have been given only to 5 families. When we were in the government in Goa, we had provided a very clean and very efficient government in Goa. और शाह कमीशन की तो रिपोर्ट अभी डिले हो रही है, लेकिन पीएसी और शाह कमीशन की तो रिपोर्ट अभी आनी, लेकिन पीएसी की तो आ गई तो मुद्दा तो तभी बनता है जब सामने आता है।
MP Shripad Naik claims that if BJP comes to power, Dina Thakkar will not be inducted in the cabinet.
जी।
Our reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
India Against Corruption has blamed Family Raj for the downfall of democracy. The civil society group has demanded that whichever party intends to form a government must assure that they will support Yan Lokayukta. IAC began its 3-day voters awareness campaign by organizing public meetings with key Team Anna members in different parts of Goa.
Member of IAC Manish Sisodia has blamed Family Raj for the downfall of democracy.
ये फैमिली राज लोकतंत्र की सबसे दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना है और इसका जितना निंदा की जाए उतना कम है, क्योंकि इसी ने लोकतंत्र को लगातार कमज़ोर किया। इसी की वजह से आज मैंने इसीलिए कहा कि हमारी विधानसभाएं और हमारी संसद कुछ परिवारों की गुलाम बन के रह गई हैं। हमारे सवाल हैं कि जो पार्टी सत्ता में आएगी वो एक अच्छा जन लोकायुक्त लेके आएगी कि नहीं लेके आएगी, और अगर वो कमिट करती है कि हम लेके आएंगे तो अभी यहाँ जो मुख्य पार्टियां हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं सत्ता में हैं, वो वहाँ क्यों नहीं ला रही हैं? सिर्फ गोवा में ही क्यों? अगर कोई पार्टी ये कहे कि भाई हम गोवा में सत्ता में आए अगली बार तो हम लेके आएंगे, तो जहाँ आप सत्ता में हैं वहाँ क्यों नहीं लेके आए? ये कुछ हमारे सवाल है, और लेके आएंगे तो कैसा लेके आएंगे ये भी बताना।
Gopal Rai suggested that a right to decision making body should be formed.
पड़ेगा एक राइट टू डिसीजन मेकिंग बॉडी, यानी निर्णय लेने का अधिकार जनता को मिले। यकीनन अगर यह बात अगर इस चुनाव में हम लोग उठाते हैं और आगे होता है तो निश्चित रूप से अगर निर्णय लेने का अधिकार जनता के पास होता तो जन लोकपाल बिल 6 महीने पहले यानी अप्रैल के बाद ही अगस्त में पास हो गया होता।
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Farari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.